G2, is the digital dictation system which is used at this trust. Dictations can be created via clinic outcomes, endoscopy, cataract, consultant notify, or G2 directly. The main difference from the old method is that the dictated letters will be saved digitally on the network, rather than saved onto tape. So when launching for the first time, if you haven't done the Audio Wizard on the PC before, you will get this window. Read each window in turn and follow the instructions, clicking next to move through the screens. You will be asked to do this on each PC that you work on. This process will tune the software settings for your voice and the acoustic environment the PC is located in. Important note: do not unplug and move handsets from one PC to another. The Audio Wizard that you will set up is linked to the handset and PC, therefore if you move the handset, you will need to redo the wizard, and so will anyone else who uses the PC. The handset. The record button. This puts the handset into record mode. You must also press play before the recording starts. Play. Stop. Pause. This button is used to start a recording, play a recorded dictation, or stop it. Don't use pause to pause during a recording. G2 will pause automatically when you stop speaking. Insert, overwrite. This is used if you wish to insert or override something into your dictation. Fast forward and fast rewind buttons. The rollerball can be used to move the mouse cursor around the screen. The buttons on the left and the right are the equivalent to a left and right mouse click. EOL. Priority button. This is the end of letter or end of patient button. To send the dictation to the secretary, click this button twice, and you will hear a ping. This has now sent the dictation to the secretary. This is the G2 window. You will be shown later how to launch G2 from various screens within CPD. First, let's look at some of the buttons. Click this button, instead of double-clicking EOL on the handset. This will open a window, asking if you wish to cue the dictation. Click Yes. To delete a dictation, click this Delete button. To change the volume, playback, winding speed, and to go back to the Audio Wizard, click on the Settings button. This button will allow you to minimize the window to a smaller view that remains on the screen. To flag a dictation as urgent, click on this icon. The exclamation mark will turn red to indicate the urgency flag is active. The time indication panel. The numbers on the left will indicate where you are in the dictation. The numbers on the right indicate the total length of the dictation. To insert into the middle of a dictation, rewind to where you wish to insert, press the Insert Overwrite button on the handset, and this will change the direction of the arrow to one pointing down. You can also just click on the arrow when it's pointing to the right, to change the arrow to pointing down. The arrow pointing to the right will delete any of the dictation from that point forward, similar to a tape. To record an instruction, either click on this icon, or double-click on the button on the reverse side of the handset. This will turn the microphone red. Double-click on this button again to turn the instruction tool off. Minimized view buttons. The first icon is for maximizing and moving this window around. To maximize, double-click on this icon. To move the window around, click it and hold, drag and drop to where you wish the window to be displayed. The second icon displays the status of the recording. For example, record, stop, play, rewind, forward, etc. If this is a red dot which is flashing, click play on your handset to start recording. The third item is a tick box. By ticking the tick box, G2 will record the dictation as urgent, and will display as urgent on the secretary's work list. The next field displays the name of the dictation. These indicators show the level of your voice, and the length of the dictation so far. Finally, on this screen, we have smaller versions of the buttons shown when maximized, followed by your username. Thank you for watching.